this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful WhatsApp tips, tricks, and hidden features in 2026, including one feature that, the moment many people hear about it, they'll open WhatsApp immediately and try it themselves. 1. Lock down WhatsApp with stronger settings than most people leave on. First, go to Settings. Privacy. Advanced. If you see advanced protection settings or strict account settings, turn them on. Why is this important? Because this type of setting is designed to reduce problems that can come from unknown numbers or unwanted interactions, and give your account an extra layer of protection, especially if you receive messages or calls from people who aren't saved in your contacts. WhatsApp said these settings are meant to strengthen protection against advanced attacks and exploits. And this is one of those things that I feel is seriously underrated, because a lot of people still think of WhatsApp as just a chat app, even though it now has settings that really need to be reviewed. 2. If you have private chats, an important group, or conversations you don't want to be easily taken outside the chat, open the conversation itself and tap on the person's profile picture. Then see if you have advanced chat privacy. Turn it on. What does this feature do? It adds more restrictions to the chat, like reducing the ability to export the conversation, preventing automatic media downloads in that chat, and also restricting the use of message content in some AI features inside that same chat. WhatsApp introduced it as an extra layer of privacy for specific conversations. Why should you use it? Because not all chats are the same. Some chats are normal, and some need a different level of protection. 3. Translate messages from inside WhatsApp instead of leaving the app. Honestly, this is one of the smartest features that has been added. If you get a message in another language, press and hold on the message, then look for the translation option if it appears for you. WhatsApp introduced the message translations feature and said the translation happens on the device itself. On Android, there is broader support for translating conversations more easily. Why is this useful? Because instead of copying the text, leaving the app, and getting distracted, you can understand the message very quickly right where you are. And this is especially great if you deal with work, foreign groups, clients, or even strange messages coming from outside. 4. Delete large files from one chat without deleting the conversation. This is one of the things a lot of people really needed. Go to Settings, Storage and Data. Manage storage. What's new here is that WhatsApp added better storage management and made it possible to delete large files or media from specific chats without having to delete the whole conversation. Why is this important? Because sometimes the problem isn't the conversation itself. The problem is the videos, photos, and files piled up inside it. So instead of sacrificing the full chat history, you only delete what's actually taking up space. 5. Turn a voice message into text instead of listening to it. If someone sends you a long voice note and you're in a place where it's not suitable to play audio, WhatsApp now has a feature called Voice Message Transcripts, and it turns the voice message into written text that you can read instead of listening to. WhatsApp announced the feature in November 2024 and said the text is generated on the device itself, not on WhatsApp's servers. How do you do it? Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Tap Chats. Enable Voice Message Transcripts. Choose the transcription language, or the language most of your voice messages come in. Then open any chat that has a voice message. Press and hold the voice message. Choose Transcribe. The text will appear so you can read it instead of having to play the voice note. In the end, honestly, WhatsApp now has features that are much more powerful than most people imagine. And the problem isn't that these features don't exist. The problem is that so many people don't even know they exist in the first place. So, I want to know from you in the comments, which feature you saw today feels like the one you'd actually try first. And also tell me if you want me to make a part 2 with even more hidden and smarter WhatsApp tricks. And if this video really helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because the next video might include a feature you use every single day without knowing the smartest or most important thing about it until now.